How to find wallpaper settings on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find wallpaper settings on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and then click profile, and here in the top corner you will find the storylines. Click on it and then click settings and privacy. Now just scroll down until you find this one here, wallpaper. Click on it and here you will find wallpaper settings. Just click here if you want to manage it, and you can find more wallpapers. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.